Have you been trying to get rid of stubborn stain or rust? If yes, you just opened the right channel and the right video. So let me show you how I went from this to this. So I'm going to be showing you that in this video. So just sit back, relax, and wash while you get your ingredients ready. So first you get your container, and then you get your dishwasher, any dishwasher of your choice. After that, you get your toothpaste. So it can be Colgate or any toothpaste, but I would prefer you go with Colgate. Then next you get your Coca-Cola. Like I said, Coca-Cola. So you go in with your Coca-Cola, and after that, the last ingredient you're going to be adding to this is your baking soda. So you add all these ingredients together, you mix everything up, and then you get your hard sponge or your iron sponge or anything you can use to scrub. So when your ingredient is ready, now you're going to get that rusty iron or pot or hard stain that has refused to go. So you're going to get it, and then you're just going to start scrubbing right away. So it is very easy. All you need is just the things I mentioned: your dishwasher, your Colgate toothpaste, your Coca-Cola, and your what's it called, your baking soda. Add all those together, get your strong sponge, and then you just scrub it till you get that perfect result. Like you can see now, inside and outside is rusty, and this pan trust me, this stain has been there for long, like very long, and I wasn't really expecting everything to come out, but to my greatest surprise, it was shiny. So as you can see, the video wasn't skipped. You see how I went from that to this. And trust me, if you try this on your pot or your pan or anything you want to try it on, trust me, you will get a good result. So if you watched the video to this place, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and don't forget to share this video so that other people having difficulty getting rid of stains or rust from their pots or whatever can actually find this video useful and helpful. Let us know in the comment section how you get rid of your own stubborn stain or rust. Let us know in the comment section. I posted a video before on how to get rid of rust with just ketchup. You can check my YouTube channel for that video. So all you need to do is to get your rusty iron or rusty whatever, you add your ketchup to it, allow it sit for a while, and after that you just wipe it off or rinse it up off, any of the above. So it is that easy. So if you want to learn other stuffs, you can follow my channel for more useful videos, more informations, more tips, and all of that. Check my channel for recipes, and we also have other interesting things on our channel. And if you check the channel and you see that the video you're looking for is not there, let us know in the comment section, and we promise to deliver. As you can see, the pan, you can see difference already. You can see that those rusty parts, I be stained parts before, is already shiny. So you can see that this is a very effective way to get rid of stains or rust from any of your pots, your pan, or all of that. So it is very easy, it is very fast, yeah, and it is accurate. So you can let us know in the comment section what you use, if it's just spray you use and everything goes off, or what you use to get rid of your own what's it called, rust. So some people mentioned some stuffs in one of my comment section of the first video I did. I've tried checking supermarkets in Lagos, and I can't find most of those things. But when I come up with any other easy way or simple way to get rid of rust or stains, I promise to share the video with you all so we can all learn together. So feel free to let us know in the comment section, like I said, how you get rid of your own rust or stain. So you can see this is a full video, no skipping of the video. You can see that the difference is clear already. Like, look at the pot, look at the pan, I mean, and you can see that here it is almost brand new. So if I can do this for like 2 3 days or 2 3 weeks, like, I'm not talking of doing it back to back, I maybe do it today, then next tomorrow or stuff like that, it will look like a brand new pan. So as you can see, our method is very effective. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you. So I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video to see that yes, 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 our method is actually quite effective. And I still recommend Colgate because that's the one I've tried. Colgate toothpaste. That's the one I've tried. So I don't know if any other toothpaste would work. For those of you that would want to know if other toothpaste would work, I don't know, but I'm very sure Colgate will work. So for the inside, it's actually still the same method. So instead of getting the container again, I just had to like add everything directly to the pan, and I just scrubbed, and as you can see the wonders it did. Actually, this time around I didn't even really add what's that thing called, baking soda. I just scrubbed like that because my baking soda was finished. So it was just the small baking soda in the sponge and the one in the plate that I just managed. So, but as you can see, it still gave me a good result. So trust me, this method is actually very effective. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you on our channel. I hope to see you on all of our videos. We have a playlist you can go through if you feel our videos are too much for you to start going through one by one. You can just go through our channel, go to our channel, go to the playlist and look for whichever video you want. We have ASMR, we have recipes, we have how to do so many stuffs, we have hacks, we have DIYs, we have so many things on our channel. So feel free to check out for your favorites or what you love coming to do on YouTube. Feel free to check it out on our channel, and we hope to see more of you. And please don't forget to share the video so we would be encouraged to create more videos. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, or let me know what you think about our channel in the comment section. So when you're done scrubbing or washing, all you need to do is to rinse. You don't have to do any other thing again. Just rinse. All you need are just those ingredients I mentioned, your iron sponge, and then you scrub or you wash, and after that you just rinse. Now let me show you the before and the after. This is the before, you can see how it's looking, and this is the after. You can see the difference is actually very clear, and my pan is looking almost brand new. If I should try this again with the same ingredients, trust me, the pan will be looking brand new. Anyways, try it on your own pan or pot and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have an amazing day.